So good morning everyone. Problems continuation. A body of mass, a body of mass 10 kg is 10 kg is being acted acted upon by a force by a force 3t square 3t square and an opposing constant force an opposing constant force of 32 Newton. The initial speed is the initial speed is the initial speed is 10 meter per second. Calculate the calculate the velocity of the body velocity of the body after 5 seconds. After 5 seconds. So here what is the problem? A body of mass 10 kg is being acted upon by a force 3t square and an opposing constant force of 32 Newton. The initial speed is 10 meter per second. Calculate the velocity of the body after 5 seconds. In solution, the time dependent force the time dependent force acting on the body acting on the body equal to 3t square minus 32. According to Newton's law, F equal to m into A, that implies F equal to m into A. Acceleration we can write dv by dt, the rate of change of velocity. So m into dv by dt equal to 3t square minus 32. So here 10 into dv equal to 3t square minus 32 into dt. Next, an integration we get 10v equal to 3t cube by 3 minus 32t plus one constant c1. Next here where C1 equal to constant of integration, constant of integration when t equal to 0, when t equal to 0, comma v equal to 10 meter per second, and hence 10 into 10 equal to C1 or C1 equal to 100. Here 10v equal to t cube minus 32t plus 100. This equation gives value of v after t equal to 5 seconds 10v equal to here t cube means 5 cube minus 32 into t means 5 plus 100. We get answer 65. V equal to 65 by 10. We get 6.5 meter per second. This is the answer. Next, the force, second one, the force acting on a body, acting on a body varies with time according to the relation F equal to 12 m into t square, where m is the mass of the body, Find the velocity, and distance, traveled after 2 seconds. It is gives that when t equal to 0, comma x equal to 0 and v equal to minus 4 meter per second. So here the force acting on a body varies with time according to the relation F equal to 12 m into t square, where m is the mass of the body, Here we have to find the velocity and distance traveled after 2 seconds. it is given that when t equal to 0, comma x equal to 0 and v equal to -4 meter per second. So here the time dependent force is given by F equal to, we can write 12 m into t square. 12 m into t square. So m into dv by dt, m into dv by dt equal to 12 m into t square. 12 m into t square, or from this dv equal to 12 t square into dt. So v equal to 12 into t cube by 3. 12 into t cube by 3 plus c1. So 4 t cube plus c1. So applying the given boundary conditions, we get -4 equal to 4 into 0 plus c1, or from this c1 equal to -4. V equal to 4 t cube minus 4. So F equal to 12 into m into t square, m into dv by dt equal to 12 m t square, or we can write dv equal to 12 t square dt. So v equal to 12 into t cube by 3 plus c1. From this 4 t cube plus c1. 3 4 are 12, so 4 t cube plus c1. So -4 equal to boundary condition. When we substitute boundary conditions, we get -4 equal to 4 into 0 plus c1, or we can write c1 equal to -4. From this, v equal to 4 t cube by -4. 4 t cube minus 4. Now dx by dt equal to 4 t cube minus 4, or dx equal to 4 t cube minus 4 into dt. So x equal to, from integration we get x equal to 4 t power 4 by 4 minus 4 into t plus c2. So boundary conditions substitute, t equal to 0, x equal to 0. We get c2 equal to 0. So from that x equal to t power 4 minus 4 into t after 2 seconds. X equal to t power 4 means 2 power 4 minus 4 into 2. So x equal to 32 minus 8. 16 minus 8. We get x equal to 8 meter. X is the distance. And velocity. We have to find the velocity also. What is the velocity? V equal to 4 into 2 cube minus 4. 28 meter per second. X value 8 meters and V value 28 meter per second.